hello everyone. Today I'm here with a quiz about waste segregation. So before going on to the game, I would like to give a little introduction. Generally, the segregation technique should be into three bins. The blue bin, that is for non-biodegradable, the green bin, which is for biodegradable waste, and the red bin, that is for paper waste. But in India, since we follow only two bin system, so we segregate into the wet waste, that is the green waste, and the blue waste, that is the dry waste. I played a quiz with many of my friends and asked them if they knew their household wastes. So right now I have two quizzes with me. So first of all, I'd like them to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Kashish. I'm currently studying pharmacy. I'm in NMIMS Bombay.
Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm a journalism and mass communication student and I'm pursuing it from IP University.
Okay, so let's start with the first item. It's this Nykaa packing box. Tanya, you're correct, and it's. Can you give me the reason as well?
It's dry.
Exactly. Okay. So guys, your next item is this.
What is it?
It's a used tea bag. Yes, Tanya, it's correct. Yeah, and you gave the answer first. So this point will also go to Tanya. So Tanya, you're leading with 20 points. And now your next item is. Okay, so this point goes to Kashish because she lifted her paper first. So 10 points to Kashish. Your next item is this. Okay, so both of you did it at the same time. So I'm gonna cancel out this point. So now the last one will be this. Yeah, so Tanya raised her plug card first, so I'm gonna give her this point again. Okay, so guys, introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Samiksha and I'm doing BTech Biotechnology from USBT. I am in second year.
Hi, I'm Ria. I'm doing BTech Biotech from USBT GGS IPU and I'm also in second year.
I am Shruti. I'm doing BBLLB from USLLS and I'm in second year.
Okay, so guys, let's begin with the quiz. You already know the rules. So get your papers in your hands and now we begin with the first article. So first is this leftover tablet thing. Okay, so Samiksha gets this point because she raised her plug card first. Okay, so this point goes to Samiksha. The second one would be a used sanitary napkin. Okay, Samiksha, you're wrong, and Ria, you lifted it before Shruti, so this point goes to Ria. Then next is this bed tissue, face tissue, it's a used one. Ria is correct, both of you are wrong. It will go to the blue bin because it's a dry waste. Then next is this, an aluminium foil. Okay, so Samiksha raised it, so this point goes to Samiksha. Then I have this glass bottle. Yeah, Shruti raised it, so this point goes to Shruti. So guys, I guess Samiksha is leading right now. So the next item will be this. Actually, I was not able to read it, so it's a waste now. So yeah, this point goes to Shruti. So guys, you all are at equal score right now. So I have a bonus question for you all. This is a half-eaten packet of chips. So how should I dispose it of?
You can first dispose the edibles inside it in the green waste and the packet in the blue waste.
Okay, so that's correct, and Shruti gets this point because it was a mixed question and none of you cared enough to speak. So Shruti wins this point.
I was going to speak.
Okay, so guys, introduce yourselves.
Hello, my name is Mayank Grover. I'm currently pursuing BTech from Maharaja Surinmal College. I'm in my fourth year right now. I'll be playing this game for the first time, so I don't know I'll be good or bad.
Hello friends, I'm Mrinal Sharma and I'm doing my engineering from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering and I'm in the 4th.
Hi, I am Nandini Dhingra. I have just completed my graduation from Delhi University and now I'll be joining Ernst & Young as an audit associate in a week.
Okay, so guys, I've already told you the rules. So let's just go on with the game. So your first item is going to be a used cotton piece. Actually, Mayank, you are right and you raised it first. It should go in the green bin. Yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
And so your next item will be a surgical mask. Okay, I'm sorry, but all of you are wrong. This will go into the blue bin. So your next one is going to be a cotton mask. Okay, Nandini, you're wrong, and Mrinal, you raised it first. So this is going to go in the blue bin. So the next one will be these broken candles. Nandini and Mayank, you're correct. So both of you are getting this point, and Mrinal, you have the wrong answer. So the next one. Actually, this is going to go in the blue waste because it's a dry waste. It's not going to decompose directly, and you cannot put it in the compost pit. This one. All right. So your next item is this broken iron piece. Yeah, so Mrinal has got it first. So Mrinal is getting this point again. Alright, so your next question is going to be these rubber bands. Yeah, Mrinal, you got it right and you got it first as well. So this is going to go in the blue bin. And your last item is this broken wooden piece. So Mayank got it correct. So this point will go to Mayank because this will not be directly able to decompose in the compost pit. Okay, guys, so your last question, your bonus question is something like this. So if you're eating from outside and you get a cardboard box in which you get to eat it, and you leave some of the food, so how are you going to dispose it off?
We'll throw the food in the green bin and the cardboard in the blue bin.
Yeah, that's correct. So I guess the winner for this will be Mrinal, and thank you guys for joining in.
Thank you so much for having us.
So with this we conclude today's video. So I hope that you are also able to answer some of the questions. If not, then I think it's time that we all do our research as well.